He literally said, the only way I'm going to leave this ward is in a body bag. And it's because she did not feel safe in the environment.
Alice Figueiredo predicted her own death. She was 22 when she took her own life on a mental health ward in 2015 at Goodmayes Hospital in London. The North East London NHS Foundation Trust, known as NELFT, and the ward manager, both convicted of serious health and safety failings in a landmark legal trial.
I don't see why you can step into a secure mental health unit with qualified professional staff to keep you safe, that a person can die in that ward. And it shocks me to the core now. It continues to shock me that as a society we continue to let this happen.
With sentencing due next week, Alice's family are furious. They've never personally received an apology.
Apart from the fact that they should apologise to us on a human level, it makes me worry about the attitude of the organisation. If you can't say sorry, what does that say about your organisation, about any empty words you give us about changes you might have made and lessons you've learned?
The long trial's taken its toll. Alice's parents sat through months of gruelling and graphic evidence.
It's adding trauma on top of the wound that you've already got, the worst wound you can imagine of losing your child. That's very distressing because you know that she's been failed at every point all the way along, and you're also reliving the suffering that she went through.
In a statement, NELFT said, "We're deeply sorry for Alice's death and we extend our heartfelt condolences to her family and loved ones. We have taken significant steps to continually improve the physical and social environment deliberately designed to support recovery, safety, well-being and assist our workforce in delivering compassionate care." For Alice's family, the trial is over, but their grief and suffering goes on.
The deputy CEO said to Jane, "I hope you get some closure." Well, I can tell him for a fact, we got no closure. We just got re-traumatised for 7.5 months.
As a mum, your bereavement doesn't ever end. It changes over years as you go on, but it's unending. The thought that I won't even hear her voice was unbearable, and I still miss it.
Laura Bundock, Sky News.